Hello. Welcome to Singapore's iconic Jewel Waterfall. If you ever land in Singapore, don't miss the Jewel Changi Airport, home to the world's tallest indoor waterfall. The Jewel Waterfall is a 40-meter, 131 feet, indoor waterfall right in the heart of Jewel Changi Airport. Surrounded by a lush indoor forest called the Shiseido Forest Valley, it's an absolute must-see. Located inside Jewel Changi Airport, which is directly connected to Terminals 1, 2, and 3. Super easy to access whether you're arriving, departing, or on a long layover. Best time to visit? During the day, the natural sunlight makes the waterfall sparkle. But at night, there's a light and amp sound show every hour from 7:30 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. It's magical. Fun facts. Opened in April 2019. Recycles rainwater and is eco-friendly. The waterfall flows through an oculus in the glass roof. Bonus tip. After soaking in the view, explore Jewel's 280+ shops, restaurants, and attractions like Canopy Park, Skynets, and Changi Experience Studio. Whether you're on a layover or exploring Singapore, make sure Jewel's Waterfall is on your list. It's more than just an airport, it's a destination.